All right, good evening, guys. How are you guys doing? Please, if you can hear me, let me know in the comment section, please. Can you hear me or can you see me? If you can hear me and you can see me, just type "I can see you" in the comment section. Welcome, everyone. Good evening, guys. Please, if you can see me and you can hear me, just type "I can see you" and I can hear you in the comment section, please. Can you guys see me? Can someone hear me? If you can see me and you can hear me, just type "I can see you" in the comment section. Type "I can see you" in the comment section. Type "I can see you" in the comment section. All right, all right, all right. Okay. I'm seeing Dolapo said, "Can hear you." Kellogg said, "I can see you." Christopher said, "I can see you." All right, all right, all right. Awesome, 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 awesome. I need more comments. I need more comments. I need more comments. More and more comments, guys. I need more comments. If you can see me and you can hear me, I need more comments. Awesome, awesome. So welcome, guys. Welcome everyone to this webinar. So in the next few minutes, or in the next few seconds rather, we are going to start. So before we start, I want you to do something very, very important. I want you to share the link you used to join this training right now. Share it to your friends on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, and let them know that we've started, right? So I'm going to go to the WhatsApp group right now, and I'm going to also share the link and let them know that we've started. So share the link to your friends, anyone that you know that should be here right now, because this night I'm going to be sharing a whole lot. So anyone you know that should be here, share them the link and let them know that we've actually started, right? Let them know that we've actually started. So while on this training, if you stop hearing me at any point, please let me know in the comment section. If you stop hearing me at any point, let me know in the comment section. I repeat, at any point, if you stop hearing me, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. At any point, if you stop hearing me, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I can see 62 people here right now. I need more comments, right? And I need more people. So share the link to your friends. I'm trying to post on the WhatsApp group right now. So share the link to your friends and let them know that we've actually started. Share it to your friends and let them know that we've actually started. Let them know that we've actually started, right? In the next few minutes, we are going to start right away. We are 66 people here. I need more comments. I need more comments and more people here before we can start. Keep sharing, keep sharing, keep sharing. 74 people, keep sharing more comments, then we can start right away. More comments, then we can start right away. All right, guys. So I'm going to share my screen right now. I'm going to share my screen right now. So if you can see my screen, just type "I can see your screen." If you can see my screen and you can still hear me, type "I can see your screen." If you can see my screen and you can still hear me, type "I can see your screen." Type "I can see your screen." If you can see my screen and you can hear me, type "I can see your screen" in the comment section. We are 91 people here. Keep typing, keep typing. All right, keep sharing the link. In the next 1 minute, it will start right away. So keep sharing the link. Keep sharing the link. I'm coming, guys. I'm just trying to sort out a little network issue. So we'll start soon. I'm trying to sort out network. My Starlink is messing up, but I'm coming, guys. Let me just get it sorted out. Um, nice. All right, so let's get started right away. So, welcome everyone. Sorry for the whole breakage. I was trying to get my network sorted. So, like I said before, at any point, if you stop hearing me, please let me know in the comment section. I repeat, at any point, if you stop hearing me, please let me know in the comment section. So, welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. I still need a lot more people here, right? So, keep sharing the link to your friends, to your family, and let them know that we've actually started. So, I'm going to be sharing my screen right now. I'm going to be sharing my slide right now. So, we are going to start right away. So, welcome everyone to this great webinar. I'm so excited to have you guys here. So, if you are here and you are listening to me, it simply means you want to learn how to make a lot of money with Forex, right? You see my results and you've seen the testimony of my students, and you want to learn how to make a whole lot of money trading the Forex market. So, if you're such person and you're listening to me right now, then welcome, because this night I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make crazy money trading the Forex market. Well, as you know, I've been trading the Forex market for some time myself. I moved from affiliate marketing to the Forex, right, because of a lot of reasons, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys this night. And I've found a very profitable strategy that I use to make a whole lot of money for myself. And not just myself, lots of my students use this same strategy and they're making a killing off the market. In fact, few days ago, I think that's probably last week, one of my students sent me $100 just for a thank you because I introduced him to forex trading, and he's making a whole lot of money for himself. Right. So if you're listening to me and you want to make a lot of money for yourself, then welcome, because you are in the right place. What I'm going to be sharing with you this night is the same format you can use to start making as much as $5,000 every single month. Right now, the exchange rate is about 1,600, because I bought dollars a few days ago. It's 1,608. That is, if you're making $5,000 every month, that's about 8 point something million you're making every single month. And guess what? You can even make way more than that trading the forex market. And I'm going to be sharing everything with you guys this night. So let's go. Now, here is a screenshot of a trade of me making $600 in just 30 minutes. You see, the way I like forex market is the power of the market. You can literally make as much as $5,000 in less than 30 minutes of entering a trade. Like, I'm not joking. You can literally enter a trade, and in less than 30 minutes, you're already making crazy amounts of money, right? So look at this screenshot here. $600 right now is about I don't know much mass, but I know that $600 right now is over 900,000 naira, right? made in less than 30 minutes of opening a trade. Now, not just this, here is also me making a withdrawal of 2,100 naira, sorry, $100 to my bank account. $2,100 right now is over 3 point something million naira. And I made this withdrawal to my bank account. This is a profit I made from trading the Forex market. Not just that, here is also me making a withdrawal of 477,000 to my GT bank account. Like you can see here, this is my Guarantee Trust bank account. Now, all this profit I'm showing you was made from trading the Forex market. Literally trading the Forex market. I didn't have to sell anything to anybody. I didn't have to talk to anybody. And I made this amount of profit from trading the Forex market. You see, if you're an introvert and you're listening to me, trading is the right and the ideal business for you. Now, why is it the right and the ideal business for you? Simple, you don't have to talk to anybody on the internet. Some people are shy, they don't want to talk to anybody, they don't like people in their space, they just want to be on their own. If you're such person, then forex trading is the right ideal business for you because you don't have to talk to anybody. It's just you and the market, and you're making money off the market every single time. Of course, I'm not going to say that you won't make losses because there is no way you be a trader and you won't make losses. I make losses. In fact, the best of traders make losses. But here's the thing, the goal of every trader is for his wins to be greater than his losses. Once your wins are your greater than your losses, you're definitely good to go. Right. So let's continue. Here is also another screenshot of me withdrawing $1,400 from my Xnest account, right? And here is also me withdrawing from my Deriv account. Now, what is Deriv? Deriv is also Forex, but like Deriv is Forex, but not the usual Forex markets that you know. So Deriv is computer generated forex in the sense that normal forex is being controlled by people's actions. Like let's say as I'm right now, I want to trade and I'm buying euro USD. Someone somewhere is selling euro USD. Now all these things make up the forex market, but deriv is computer generated. If you are someone that plays sports, you must have heard of Bet Niger Virtual. Now it's like equivalent to Bet Niger Virtual. I'm talking about deriv here. So you can also trade it with this same strategy I'm going to be showing you guys this night, and you make crazy amount of money for yourself. Now, I'm going to show you how you can get rich trading the forex market. I'm going to tell you the lots of truths that a lot of people don't know about the forex market. So, if you're someone that has been trading for some time, well, this training is for you. If you're also a beginner, you haven't traded the market before, but you're interested in it, you want to know how the market works, and you want to leverage on it and make a whole lot of money for yourself, then listen to me because this training, this webinar, this night is also for you. So, let's go. Now, the trading method I'm going to be sharing with you is purely based on experience. I repeat, what I'm going to be sharing with you this night is purely based on experience, which means it's something that I myself I have done, and my students have done it over and over again. They are using it to make crazy figures. So I'm not just teaching you what I've not done. I'm not just manufacturing something elsewhere and I'm coming to teach you. No, I'm telling you what I've done over and over again. So make sure you stay till the end of this webinar. Now, look at this testimony. Here is a screenshot of my student, and he was very happy. Look at what he said. He said, "Happy New Month, brother." Okay, sorry. So, if your screen is not clear, sorry, I forgot to announce that. If your screen is not clear, tap on the settings icon that is showing on your YouTube app right now. When you tap on it, go to quality. When you tap on your screen, please, if your screen is not clear, tap on your screen. You're going to see a settings icon. Tap on it. Go to quality. When you go to quality, go to advanced. When you go to advanced, change it to 720 pixel. I repeat, if your screen is not clear, tap on your screen. When you tap on it, you're going to see a settings icon. Tap on it. When you tap on it, go to quality, then go to advanced, then choose the 720 pixel, and your screen is going to become crystal clear. The reason why your screen is not clear is simply because YouTube is trying to conserve your data for you, right? So they are showing you the video in a lower quality. But just do what I said right now, and your screen is going to become extremely clear, right? So I'm just going to give you guys like the next 20 seconds to do that, and we are going to continue. I'm going to give you guys the next 20 seconds to do that, and we are going to continue. So just quickly do it before we continue. Quickly do that before we continue. I'm giving you guys the next 20 seconds to do that, then we continue. The next 20 seconds to do that, then we continue. All right. I believe you guys have done that. I believe a lot of you guys have done that. So now let's continue. Now, here is a screenshot of my student thanking me for helping him in his forex trading. Now, look at what he said. He said, "Happy New Month, brother. I want to say thank you so much for how you have helped me in my trading journey. And I pray for more take profit this month." TP in trading simply means take profit, right? Now, if you stay to the end of this training, I'm going to help you build a direct trading system that will help you make lots of money from the forex market. I repeat, if you stay to the end, I'm going to help you build a direct trading system that will help you make lots of money from the market. Now, why am I doing this exactly? Why am I doing this training? Now, over the last few days, the last few weeks, I've been getting lots of DMs from my students that were with me during affiliate marketing. And they've been asking me, "Caleb, how can I join your community? I want to learn how to trade Forex. I want to become profitable. I want to make money." Some people have tried Forex before and they lost money, stuff like that. And that is exactly why I am doing this training. Now, like, I can bet myself that 98% of you guys here know me before. Like, you've been on my status, you've been viewing, you've been following my journey all the days from affiliate marketing to right now. If you are watching this, then stay with me because it's because of you guys I'm hosting this webinar this night. I promised myself I wasn't going to do any other webinar again, but because I was getting lots of DMs, I just said, okay, let me just do it this last time before I actually close this chapter of doing any webinar. So stay with me because I have a lot coming your way this night. Now, if you're not paying attention, you are going to miss every single thing I'm going to be saying. If you're not paying attention, you are going to miss every single thing. But before we continue, I have three confessions, right? The number one confession is after what I'm going to be sharing with you this night, you are going to be angry with yourself. Why did you not find about this earlier? You see, that's the thing that happens when you find out about something. You start regretting. Why did I not know about these things earlier? But do not bother yourself too much. It happens. But if you apply what I'm going to teach you this night, you will start making crazy money. Like, you will have the confidence to go to the market and make a whole lot of money for yourself. Here is confession number two. Now, this night, I know some of you have traded Forex because Forex is not something that is new. I mean, Forex is everywhere. Some people have tried Forex before, or they've heard a lot of things about Forex, but you might have to discard 80% of what you know about Forex because a lot of people have lots of misconception about Forex. You see, when people talk about Forex, what comes to people's mind is that, oh, you are going to lose your life savings, you are going to lose your money, you are going to go broke. That is exactly what comes to people's mind, and that is very, very wrong. In fact, so many things you've heard about Forex, or you've even learned about Forex. Maybe you've gone to YouTube and you've learned this strategy or that strategy. You might have to discard it because all those things you think you know about Forex is actually, sorry to say, but what you think you know about Forex is actually trash, right? So you might have to discard up to 80% of what you know about the Forex market. Now, this might be very uncomfortable, but do not worry. Eventually, with time, you will get over it. And confession number three, and this is very important, trading is not a get rich quick scheme. I repeat, Caleb is repeating, trading is not a get rich quick scheme, right? The reason why I say this is some people come to trading is a business. The fact that you're not selling anything to anybody does not mean it's not a business. It's a business, right? So a lot of people come to trading and they come with the mindset of, oh, get rich quick. Okay, because you see me make $1,000, $500, and you're like, oh, let me just jump into this thing and start making $1,000 for yourself. If you have that mindset, trust me, you're going to lose money. The market is not a joke. You see, the forex market is so brutal that if you give it $10 million right now, if you open the market is not yet closed because the market closes by Friday and opens on Sunday evening. Right now, if you open your broker account and you fund $10 million and you give it to the market, it will take it in the next 5 minutes and it will check the market. So trading is not a get rich quick scheme. But if you do exactly as I say, well, you will get insane amount of result. But like I said, there is work. You do the work. It's not a get rich quick scheme. But the consoling part is that a whole lot of money for you to make. When you do it the right way, you make crazy amount of money. So if you are someone that is looking for get rich quick scheme, I suggest you leave right away because what I'm going to share this night is actually not for you, right? But if you're not someone that is looking for get rich quick scheme, then stay with me because I have a whole lot coming your way. Now, why should you listen to me? I've made a whole lot of money trading the forex market. I've been trading forex for more than a year now, and I've made crazy amounts of money trading the forex market. So here is a screenshot of me making $1,000 for the forex market. $1,000 is over 1.6 million naira in just one trade. Now here is also another screenshot of me making $518 in just one trade. That is over 800,000 naira in just one trade, right? Here is also another screenshot of me making $422 in just one trade. Now, this thing you're seeing here is not a demo account. You see, all these results I'm showing you, they are not from demo account, they are from live account. This account size is $22,000. This is a live account. Please don't make mistake and say, "Oh, Caleb is showing you demo account." I'm showing you a real account. Now, here is also another screenshot of me making $300 in just one trade, right? Here is also another screenshot of me making $360 in just one trade. Now, all these results I'm showing you were made in just one trade. Imagine opening a trade and you're making over 500k, over a million naira in just one trade. That's crazy amazing. That's insanely amazing. Here is also another screenshot of me making $426 in just one trade. I've made lots of money trading the forex market, and that is exactly why you should listen to me. Now, if you're following me, type "I am following you" in the comment section. If you're following me and you're listening to me, type "I am following you" in the comment section. If you're following me and you're listening to me, type "I am following" in the comment section. Type "I am following" in the comment section. If you're following me and you're listening to me, type "I am following" in the comment section. Type "I am following" in the comment section. I need to see the comments. If you are following me and you're listening to me, type, I'm looking at my phone right now, so type "I am following" in the comment section. Type it in the comment section. I am following. If you're following me and you're listening to me, type "I am following" in the comment section. Type "I am following" in the comment section. All right, awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, I can see Thomas said, "I am following Taufik, I am following Victoria, I am following Ahmad, I am following Solomon, I am following Toshku, I am following Keleshi, I am following." Awesome, awesome. So let's continue. Now, here is also some testimonies from my students in my community. Now, here is a student of mine, and this guy made over $500 in just one trade, over $500 in just one trade. Now, here is also another student of mine. This guy was able to take his account from $500 to $844 in less than 1 week. That is a profit of $344 in just 1 week. Now, here is also a student of mine. This guy was able to make $157 in just one trade. Now, this guy made $157 in just one trade. Now, here is also a student of mine. This guy made he said, "This is my first major profit. All glory to God." And how much did he make? He made $131 in just one trade. Now, before we continue, let me tell you something. Do you know why it's important you earn in dollars? Now, look at this figure here. This is $131, right? Made in just one trade. But do you know this amount right here is almost 300,000 naira? Okay, yeah. 100 is over 200,000, not up to 300,000, but it's over 200,000 naira made in just one trade. Right now, they moved minimum wage from 30,000 to 70,000. Now, 70,000 is literally like it's less than $50. It's around $45. And here is someone making $131 in just one trade. Now, here is also another student of mine that took her account. This is a woman, by the way, because I hear a lot of people say, "Oh, women don't trade. This one is just for men." Who told you that? I have lots of women in my community and they are doing crazy things. Here is a woman and she took her account from $284 to $692 in just one trade. That's approximately $400 profit made in just one trade done by a woman. So lots of women are listening to me right now. If you're a woman and you're hearing my voice, trading is not only for men. A woman can trade the market and make good amount of money, right? Here is also another student of mine that turned his account from $10.2 to $44. You see, I keep telling people that capital is not the reason why you're not making money from trading. I repeat, capital is not the reason why you are not making money from trading. All you need is the skill. Once you get the skill set, you are going to make crazy amounts of money from trading the forex market. This guy literally took his account from $10.42 to $44 in just one day. In just one day, right? Now, I'm going to share my story with you and how it all started for me. I know some of you guys already know this story, but I'm going to share it anyway because it's important I keep telling this story. It's important I keep sharing it. So you know that I didn't just fall from heaven. The Caleb you know today didn't just fall from heaven. Oh, this is Caleb. No. I literally started from ground zero. I started from the lowest point of my life. No, I've been to a point in my life where I had nothing to my name. I repeat, I've been to a point in my life where I literally had nothing to my name. So here is me. This was around 2019. I was broke and at the lowest point of my life. Then I was an undergraduate, right? So I was going for a chemistry practical and I just decided to take this selfie. Now you can see how I was looking in this picture. Why? Because I was literally like broke and I had nothing to my name. I was an undergraduate. I spent nights awake trying to figure out what I had done wrong and whose fault my situation was. Imagine being in school, you have nothing. I mean, like your next meal, you don't know where it's going to come from. Sometimes you drink Gary, sometimes there's not even Gary to drink and stuff like that. When I was in school, at a point, I was sporting with my friends, right? I was staying in their lodge and all that. So I was literally at the lowest point of my life. I will keep thinking, okay, if I graduate and I keep going like this and graduate, how am I going to survive? Because then in 2019, things were bad, but not as bad as it is now. But I was already seeing the future because I know that Nigeria that I know is not going to get better. Now, compare this. The Nigeria you know in 2010 is not the Nigeria of 2015. It's not the Nigeria of 2019. And definitely the Nigeria of 2019 is not the Nigeria of 2024. In the next few years, 2024 is going to be like the good old days, right? Things keep getting worse. So I was thinking, how do I do something for myself? How do I get better? I knew there was money somewhere on the internet, but I just didn't know how to make the money. In fact, I think that was like during 2017. At a point, I literally picked up my phone and I was googling how to make money on the internet, but I didn't find the right information because if you take your phone right now and type how to make money on the internet, trust me, you won't really find something substantial there because you see lots of information. Some are bloggers looking to get traffic, some are just so many things. I kept thinking, I kept worrying, how do I do this? How do I make something for myself, right? Now, in 2020, I saw an opportunity called affiliate marketing. That was in 2020, July precisely. Yes, July precisely. I came in contact with an opportunity called affiliate marketing. And from then, I went into affiliate marketing and I made crazy amounts of money for myself. I literally was like the number one affiliate on the biggest affiliate platforms in the whole of Africa called Expartner. Like I was still the number one affiliate. So here are some screenshots of my earnings from affiliate marketing. So in 2022, I made 4.7 million naira in just 1 week. Now, all this money you are seeing here was made in just 1 week from affiliate marketing, right? This second screenshot here, I made 7.4 million naira in just 1 week from affiliate marketing. And here in 2021, I made 2 million in just 1 week of from affiliate marketing. Now I'm going to tell you the reason why I left Forex. I'm going to tell you the reason why I left affiliate marketing for Forex. And not that I made lots of money. I also won lots of affiliate challenges and I traveled to different countries. So here was me in Dubai, right? So this second picture here was me. I went to skydive in Dubai and then I fell from an aeroplane at 13,000 feet. To be honest, that's the riskiest thing I've done in my life. Yeah, that's the riskiest thing I've done in my life. Jumping from an aeroplane at 13,000 feet because when you first jump, you're not going to be jumping with a parachute. You will do free fall. You first jump out of the plane. You and your instructor, you guys will free fall for like 10 seconds before he will eventually put on the parachute. So that first free fall is very scary. Imagine falling, nothing is holding you. You are just falling from 13,000 feet. Very daring stuff. But yeah, I enjoyed it. And I actually spent, I think I spent about $650 doing this skydiving. And if I go to Dubai again, which I'll go whenever they open the whole visa ban, I'll eventually go to Dubai whenever they open it. I'm just waiting for them to release the ban. I'm also going to do skydiving again because it's risky, but it's a very good stuff. But so here was me in Dubai, and here is also me in Seychelles, having fun, enjoying myself, and living my life to the fullest, all from affiliate marketing. Here is also me in Egypt. I traveled to Egypt, and Egypt is a very nice place. I've been to Egypt 2 times, and Egypt is a very, very nice place. Like it's a very cool place you can go and enjoy yourself and have good vacation. And here is also me in Qatar. In 2022, I went to Qatar for the Qatar FIFA World Cup. That was my first time of going to World Cup, and it was really, really enjoyable. I enjoyed myself and had so much fun. I watched. I was supposed to watch Ronaldo, that is Portugal play, but our ticket had issues. So this was me. I came to watch. That was Brazil versus. I've forgotten the country they were playing, but they are playing one African country, right? And I also watched France versus Denmark. I got to watch Mbappe play live, and that boy is really, really fast. Like he's fast with ball. But that's by the way. So here is also me still in Qatar, enjoying myself and having a good time. Now I know what you're thinking. Why exactly did Caleb leave affiliate marketing? Because I've gotten these questions a lot. Caleb, why did you leave affiliate marketing? Is that Expatriate is no longer working? Has affiliate marketing crashed? But I'm going to explain to you why I left affiliate marketing. Well, affiliate marketing, first of all, was becoming a lot stressful because when I was an affiliate, I was doing what I call WhatsApp marketing. WhatsApp marketing is basically using WhatsApp to sell affiliate products. But it was very stressful because I was responding to customers only me on WhatsApp. And at the point, you can't do so much as a person. You see, your strength as a person is limited. So at the point, it was too much on me. I couldn't keep up with it. And not just that, economy was also another factor. The economy became bad. Now let's go back to this. So when I made this amount of money, that was look at this. When I made this money, 4.7 million in 2022, eh, 2022 February, dollar then was around, let's say 600, right? Which means this money here was about $7,000. I'm trying to let you know why I left affiliate marketing. In 2022, I made 4.7 million, which is around like seven to $8,000. But right now, if you make 4.7 million, guess what? You are barely making $3,000. It's not even up to $3,000 again. So it's basically a matter of if you keep earning in naira, you are getting poorer. It does not matter how much you earn. You keep getting poorer, and keep getting poorer, and keep getting poorer. So let's say that you're someone that have ambitions. So let's go back to our slide. Let's say you're someone that have ambitions to be a millionaire in dollars, and you're earning in naira. That is to say that in 2022, you literally need 600 million naira to be a millionaire in dollars. Now, last year, you will now need 750 million naira to be a millionaire in dollars. You see, you now have to earn more. Guess what? This year, right now, you need 1.6 billion naira to be a millionaire in dollars. So it's literally like you are working and then your results are being slashed by half. And that was the breaking point for me. I can't be working and then my effort, the government is frustrating my effort. I'm trying to be a millionaire in dollars and you guys are just frustrating my effort. I was like, nah, this is it. Economy was like the main deciding factor. I was like, no, I'm going to switch to something that earns me in dollars. When I switched from affiliate marketing last year to Forex, dollar was 750. Right now, dollar is 1.6, 1,600 rather. Dollar is 1,600. In fact, the highest dollar went is I think 1,800. And trust me, dollar is going to get to 2,000. Maybe this year or next year, but eventually the dollar will get to 2,000. Why? I'm not wishing Nigeria bad, but we are facing reality here. The government does not care about you and I. That's the reality. They do not care about us. So you as a person, all you have to do, you have to think for yourself, shield yourself from the falling economy because whether the economy is going south, those people there at the government, they will keep stealing money, keep enriching themselves. So you as a citizen, you have to not think, how do I overcome this economy? How do I shield myself from the effect of this economy? Have you gone to market? Have you seen like I'll just enter supermarket, just buy a few things, and I'm already spending 100K on groceries just like that because things are getting worse and worse every single day. And that's why I said no, I have to start earning in dollars in currencies that do not depreciate. Right? $100 last year was 720, and right now is 1,600. So I started to quit affiliate marketing and I entered Forex. But guess what? This story I'm going to tell you guys right now is funny. Funny. So the first time I traded Forex, I blew my account in less than 24 hours. And I'm going to tell you what happened, why I blew my account. First of all, I didn't learn Forex. I felt like okay, since I know affiliate marketing, it's not just Forex now. Just open a trading account. Just if it's GPUSD I want to buy, just click buy and then the market will go up. That was what I was thinking. but I blew my account in less than 24 hours of trading the market, right? But then after I built the account, I was like, no, 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 this is not how to do it. I took a step back. I went off the grid. Sometime last year, if you notice, sometime last year, I was already online. I wasn't posting on Twitter or WhatsApp. I barely post because I went off the grid and I was learning Forex. I paid heavily to learn Forex. Like when I say heavily, I paid heavily. I spent over $2,500 to learn Forex to get where I am right now. I was paying different people. Some I was going for physical classes. I was paying one-on-one coaching. Some were 500K. Some were $1,000. I was paying different people just to learn Forex and learn what works. And after I finished learning, I knew how the market works. I started making a whole lot of money from the market. You see, a lot of people they make this mistake of, oh, she want to learn Forex, but you don't want to pay. Some will say, I can learn it from YouTube now. It's not just Forex. It's not just go and type it how to trade Forex on YouTube and you see lots of videos. Well, good for you. Go and type it. When you finish learning from YouTube, go and trade live account. Then when you trade it, come and tell me your experience. Because obviously it's not going to end well. It never ends well. You cannot learn Forex trading for YouTube. I repeat, you cannot learn it from YouTube because trading is not just about technical analysis. There are so many things involved in trading the forex market. Now, from then to now, I've gone ahead to make a lot of money for myself, and not just that. Students from my community are making crazy amounts of money for themselves. So here's a student of mine that made $2,800 on his Profirm account. Now, what is a Profirm? Profirm are companies that give you money to trade, and when you make profit, they split the money, right? They take their own share. Some Profirms they do 80-20, some do 90-10, which means the company will take 10% and you take 90% of the profit. Now, here is also another student of mine. This guy made $781 in just one day. He was selling SAUSD is gold. He was selling gold and he made $781 in just one day. Now, look at what this guy said. He said, to the glory of God, my first trade of the year, his first trade of the year, he made $169. He literally took this trade 2nd of January 2024 and he made $169. Now, I've also connected with lots of top industry experts in the forex industry. So here is Jeffrey Benson. I met him and look at what he said. He said, you are a great guy. Nice meeting you. Here are also most testimonials from my community. Look at this guy. This guy said, I just hit my first TP. I used $1.5 and hit TP with $6. Now, I keep saying this lack of money is not the reason why you are not making profit from the forex market. Please, if you are following me, type I am following in the comment section. Before we continue, if you are following me, type I am following in the comment section, please. If you are following me, type I am following in the comment section. Type I am following in the comment section before we continue. If you are following me, type I am following in the comment section. All right, all right. Valentine said I am following. Engineer Wallace said I am following. David, I am following. Awesome, awesome. So let's continue. Here is also another student of mine, Shola. He was able to make $992 in just one trade, right? Here is also Tolu. Tolu was able to make, this is $92 plus $92. That is about $180 plus $26. That is over $200 he made in just one trade. Simply from what I taught them, which is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Here is also another student of mine that was able to pass his Profirm account. Here is also another student of mine that took his account from $500 to $629. That is extra $129 profit. And here is also another guy that made $231 profit in just one day. Now, I could keep showing you proof upon proof upon proof. The reason why I took my time to get these screenshots is because people, I need to open your mind to the possibilities of the forex market. I need to tell you what is possible in the market. So you can know that there is a whole lot possible from the forex market, because some people feel like, oh, you can't make money from forex, or there is no much money to be made from forex. Well, there is crazy amounts of money you can make from trading the forex market. But instead of just showing you my own results, I want to teach you how you can do the same for yourself, like I and my students are also doing. Because daily I get lots of requests from people that wants to learn from me, and that is exactly why I am doing this. So I've made lots of money for myself trading the forex market with a very profitable trading formula, and you self can also use the same formula to make lots of money for yourself trading the forex market. In fact, you can even use what I'm about to share to trade any financial market Forex, crypto, stock, trade anything, and you get to make crazy amount of money for yourself. Now let's start with a little math. Now we are going to the main stuff right now, but let's do a little math. Now, if you can earn just $4,000 a month, that's about 5.6 million naira. I repeat, if you can earn just $4,000 a month, that's about 5.6 million naira. That is more than that right now, sir. With the current exchange rate, that's more than 5.6 million naira. Even if you manage to make at least $50 every day, that's over 2.1 million every single month. Now, I need to ask you a question. I want to ask you a question, and please answer me in the comment section. Answer me in the comment section. If I can show you how to trade the, if I can show you a trading formula that you can use to make massive profit from trading the forex market, a business that pays you from any part of the world. It doesn't matter if you're in Los Angeles, you're in America, you're in Dubai, you're anywhere in the world. You use this same trading formula to make a whole lot of money for yourself. Live life at your own terms. Now, if you're going to like it, type it's for me. If you want me to show you this, type it's for me in the comment section. If you want me to show you this, type it's for me in the comment section. Type it's for me in the comment section. All right, I can see lots of comments. I can see lots of comments. I can see Dolapo, Walter, Agatha, Joshua, Kande, Ezekiel, Oseni. All right, lots of names. I can't even call everything. But now let's continue. Now there are three keys. Now please pay attention. Hope you're with your pen and paper and you're about to jot things down. Like I'm about to enter the mood right now. There are three key things that will help you make great profit from the market on a consistent basis, as much as 2,000 to $10,000 every single month. And now these three things are: first, you need a right strategy. I repeat, you need the right strategy. Now, you can't trade the market anyhow and expect to make money. I repeat, you cannot trade the market anyhow and repeat to make and expect to make money. Now, the second key is risk management. You see, risk management is what is going to keep you long in the game. If I, you see, you hear people like, oh, people blew their account, someone less than $10, someone did this one. It's because they lack proper risk management. That's why you blow account in trading. If you have risk management, you cannot blow your account in trading. And now the last one is psychology. Psychology is pretty much important, like very, very important. And I'm going to explain these three keys. So stay with me. Now let's dive into the three of them. Now, what is a strategy? A strategy is whatever system that gives you a reason to take a trade. I repeat, a strategy is whatever system that gives you a reason to take a trade. Now, there is no holy grace strategy. And what do I mean by that? There is no 100% win rate strategy. You can't win all your trades. It's not possible. There is no trader in the world that has 100% win rate. But guess what? You do not need 100% win rate to actually make money from the market. In fact, all you need is at least 30% win rate and you're good to go. And what do I mean by 30% win rate? It simply means that for every 10 trades you take, all you need to do is to win just three of those trades. Yeah. For every 10 trades, you just need to win three of those trades. And I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to explain how it works. So please pay attention, pay close attention, pay attention. I'm going to explain how it works. I'm seeing lots of comments. I'm seeing lots of comments. I'm seeing lots of comments. Okay, someone said I'm following you my Bible. So okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So we are going to continue in a short while. Let me still go to the group and remind them that we've gone right far into the webinar. All right, so let's continue. Like I said, you don't need a strategy that has 100% win rate because actually there is no strategy out there that has 100% win rate. In fact, all you need is a strategy that has at least 30% win rate, which means for every 10 trades you take, you just need to win three out of those 10 trades. So if you take 10 trades, just win three and you are good to go. You'll be making money. And I'm going to show you how it works. Now, there's what we call risk to reward. Now, risk to reward is very simple. It simply states that for every trade you take, let that trade be a trade that has potential of making you times three of whatever thing you are risking. I repeat, risk to reward is very simple. It simply states that for every trade you take, let that trade be a trade that has the potential of making you at least times three of what you are risking. So let's say you take a buy on Euro USD right now. Let it be a trade that was simply like, and you took a buy and you're risking $10. Let it be that if that trade hits TP, you are going to be making at least $30 from that trade. Once you sort out this, trust me, you are good to go. So now let's do the math. So if for every trade you take, you are making at least S3 of what you're risking, right? And you take 10 trades. Now, if you are risking $10 on each, pay attention, please. You took 10 trades and you're risking $10 on each. That means across those seven, and you lose seven of them. That means across those seven that you've lost, you lost how much? You lost $70. That is 7 times 10, right? You lost $70. Now, if you won the remaining three, and each of those wins is giving you at least $30, 30 plus 3, 30 times 3 rather, that is how much? $90. Now, 90 minus the $70 that you lost, how much is remaining? You are left with $20. You see, as easy as that. So you don't even need to win all your trades, just to win at least 30%, and you're good to go. And with, in fact, like with what I'm sharing with you this night, you can be winning as much as 60, 70% of your trades. I'm not kidding you. 60, 70, 80% of your trades. Now imagine when you have such win rates, imagine the amount of profit you're going to be making from the market, right? Now there are lots of strategies out there. There's market structure, there's traditional concepts, there's ICT, there's supply and demand. There are so many things out there. That's why I say if you go to YouTube and you want to learn trading, trust me, you are in for a long ride. Pardon my grammar. You are in for a long ride. Like you will get confused because you will see so many things. In fact, you even see geometry in trading. I'm telling the truth. You see geometry because there are so many things out there, so many strategies, but you do not need all those things. You do not need to complicate trading. Trading, in fact, is very, very simple. I repeat, trading is very, very simple. You don't need to complicate it. It's very simple. Just do the simple stuff and you get to make money from the market. In fact, when I open my chart to analyze, it does not take me up to a minute to actually see my trade. Okay, let's say maximum 2 minutes. And I've gotten my trade about because it's very simple. Once you open it, you have seen it there. You don't have to start, oh, plot this one, draw this one, because people, some people, their chart is so messed up. You will see this indicator, you see that indicator, you see so many things. Some of you have seen my chart on my WhatsApp. Very simple stuff. I use just one or two lines and I'm good because you don't need to complicate it and you get to make crazy amounts of money for yourself. Now, the next key is what I call risk management. Now, what is exactly risk management? Risk management is how you maximize your wins and minimize your losses in the market. I repeat, you cannot trade the market without making losses. It's not possible. But the goal is you win more than you're losing, and you're good to go. Maximize your profit, maximize your winning trades, and cut your losing trades very short. That is the goal, and then you're good to go. And the last one is psychology. Now, what is psychology? Psychology is handling live money, live account, executing your trades without panicking, like literally being in a calm state of mind when you are taking trades on a live account. Because even if I teach you the best trading strategy in the whole world and your psychology is messed up, trust me, you're going to lose all your money in the market. Even if you make money, you're going to lose it back and you're going to even give the market extra on top, right? Because your psychology is messed up. Psychology is like the number one thing in trading. And with these three keys, you'll be banging profits back to back from trading the Forex market. Now, these three keys plus coaching is equal to holy grail of Forex money. I repeat, these three keys plus coaching is equal to holy grail of Forex money. Someone said, I'm following from Pakistan. Austin Mario, that's good, that's good, that's good. These three keys plus coaching is equals to holy grail of Forex money. Right now, why is coaching so important? Coaching is very much important. Remember how I lost money, right? Why? Because I didn't have a coach. I was trying to figure out things on my own and I paid dearly for it, right? Coaching, because you need someone that has been there before, someone that has experienced trading the losses, the wins, the thrills, the high hopes, the depressing moments, every single thing. You need that person to coach you and guide you, right? But what if I show you exactly how to do this, how you can learn from me and become part of my student? I get to coach you from in trading the forex market. Like literally be under my coaching, and I'll teach you how the forex market works and help you make crazy money from the forex market. Are you going to like it? I will show you exactly how you can trade with the right strategy, utilize the best risk management, and trade with the right psychology. And that's not even all. I will help you build a direct trading system you can use to channel into your trading profitably and start making profit as much as 2,000 to $5,000 every single month, even on a consistent basis from the financial market. Now, if you're going to like it, type I will like it in the comment section. If you're going to like it, type I will like it in the comment section. I will show you how you can trade with me with my strategy, which is like the right strategy you can use to trade the market and make good amount of money. I'll also show you how you can utilize the best risk management framework and trade with the right psychology. And I get to coach you on all these things. If you're going to like it, type I will like it in the comment section. I want to see the comments. Type I will like it in the comment section. I'm seeing lots of comments. I'm seeing comments from Saida Sado, Agatha Thomas, Porsche Debere, Malik, good day, Adepoju Adewale, Oyinye Peace, Stephanie Jonathan, Awoke Onyebushi, and all that. All right. Lots of comments. I can't read. Sorry if I didn't mention your name. There are lots of comments coming here, so I can't mention everyone's name. Right. But now let's continue. Of course, you're going to like it because I mean, who doesn't want to make money? Even me, I want to make money. If I were you, I would like it, right? Because everybody needs to make crazy amounts of money in this economy. Now, introducing the Forex Money Mastery course, right? So, what exactly is the Forex Money Mastery course? The Forex Money Mastery course is a course I created myself. Now, in this course, I poured in my strategy, my working strategy. I poured in my working strategy that has helped me leverage the forex market, and I'm making crazy amounts of money for myself. You see my profit, I posted on my status, and you're wondering how is Caleb doing this? Well, I shared every single thing in the Forex Money Mastery course. Now, this is a course, this is a very beginner friendly course. If you have not traded before, there is no problem. This course is for you. Why? Because I calmed down and I explained everything about Forex, even to the lowest level. In fact, even a dummy, sorry, I mean, no one is a dummy, but I'm just giving an example. Even a dummy will understand what Forex is. A primary school student will understand what Forex is, will understand the Forex Money Mastery course. So I created it and I poured in all my knowledge of Forex into the Forex Money Mastery course, right? So I'm going to show you a sneak peek of what you'll be getting from the Forex Money Mastery course. Now, how does it work? Now, in this Forex Money Mastery course, I'm going to be teaching you the rate structure and liquidity strategy that has helped me make thousands of dollars from the market. Now, liquidity is what moves the market. What is liquidity? So I'm going to first explain these two terms. Structure is how the market moves. Market moves up, low, right? That is structure of the market. Now, what is liquidity? Liquidity is money in the market. Now, the big banks, like the Bank of America, the Goldman Sachs, these banks control the forex market, right? And there's what we call liquidity hunt. They hunt retail traders. Who are retail traders? Retail traders are you and I, people that just want to use small money and make small money from the market. We are retail traders. And they sweep, there's what we call liquidity sweep. Now, with this knowledge, you know when to enter the market, so you won't be stopped out. You know where the market is going, you know the direction of the market. That way, you use the liquidity strategy to enter the market, and then you ride the wave of the market, you ride the trend of the market, right? And that way, you get to make a whole lot of money for yourself. With this strategy, you learn everything about Forex and how you can be making as much as over $10,000 every single month trading the Forex market. Now, here is also how the Forex Money Master course works. You will learn about the core fundamentals of trading. You will learn how to manage your risk, cut your losses short, and maximize your profits. That is how to make money in trading. You cut your losses short and you maximize your profits. You also learn about psychology, which is the most important aspect of unlocking profitable trading. I repeat, psychology is the most important aspect of maximizing of unlocking profitable trading, right? With this, you tap into emotionless trading. Trading is something that deals with emotion, but when you understand and have the right psychology, you tap into emotionless trading. So here is a full breakdown of the Forex Money Mastery course. So in Module 1, you are going to be getting special introduction to the Forex market. Here, I will give you unconventional insight into the Forex market that just few traders know about. I will tell you how the forex market works, what moves the market, give you a deep understanding of the market. And this part is very important because you need to understand what the market is all about before you can actually make money from the market. You need to understand what moves the market, what exactly is the market all about. And this module one is valued at 100,000 naira. Now, in module two, I'm going to teach you how to set up your get rich trading tools fast. Well, if you want to trade the forex market, there are things you need. You need trading view, right? Trading view is where you analyze the market. Now you need a broker account. A broker account is what you use to trade the market. Now you need MT5 for placing your orders. You need so many things. And in this module 2, I'm going to be teaching you how you can set up your trading tools very fast. Now in module 3, I'm going to be teaching you technical analysis structure, how you can trade the forex market using market structure and liquidity strategy, the right entry strategies, refinement of entries. Sometimes you see some people take trades and they will have like 3 pip stop loss, 5 pip stop loss. You're wondering how did this guy do it? It's simply because they refine their entries. And then I will teach you also re-entry patterns. Now, what are re-entry patterns? Now, re-entry patterns are like, let's say now sometimes I miss trades, right? A trade can give me confirmation, but I'm probably sleeping. I wasn't on my phone, maybe I was driving, and I'll miss that trade. Now I can still re-enter that trade through what I call re-entry pattern, right? I'm going to teach you, even if when you miss a trade, you can still re-enter that trade. And this module 3 is valued at 300,000 naira, right? Now in module 4, you learn how to scalp the markets and take entries with little stop loss. Be able to take advantage of lower time frame. You probably see people trading the 1 minute time frame, the 3 minutes time frame, and you're wondering how are these guys doing it? Well, it's called scalping. Though scalping is pretty much very risky, but with the right strategy, with the right skill, you can make crazy bank, crazy amounts of money scalping the market. And this module 4 talks about all that and is worth 130,000 naira. Now in module 5, I'm going to be teaching you how to deposit on your broker account and withdraw your profits, how to place orders, how to take profits, set your take profits, set your stop loss. Now, when you as a trader, you don't need to be on your screen all day. You see, this is the one of the misconceptions that a lot of people have about trading. They feel like, okay, because you're a trader, you just sit down. Because what you see on the internet, you see traders have big screen. In fact, you don't even need big screen to trade. That's the funny thing. Your smartphone, you are good to go, right? You don't need to be on your screen all day. You just spot your setup, put your take profit, put your stop loss. Now, once that you can even go about your day. You don't have to be online. In fact, you can even switch off your data. Once that trade gets your take profit, the market will close it out immediately, close your profit for you. And then whenever you come back, you're going to be seeing your profit. So I'm going to teach you all that, both how to withdraw, how to fund your broker account and withdraw your money in module 5 of the Forex Money Mastery course. Now, in module 6, I'm going to be teaching you about risk management. Now, I attribute 90% of my fast success trading to risk management. You see, risk management is very much important. I repeat, risk management is very much important. You see, the forex market is not something that you do gra for. You don't show yourself. You don't show the market is your boss. And if you do anyhow, you see anyhow. Now, risk management is what is going to keep you long in trading. And this module 6 is worth 180,000 naira. Now, in module 7, I'll be talking about psychology. Now, psychology is the bedrock of every trader. I repeat, psychology is the bedrock of every trader. Psychology is more important than any trading strategy because with it, you are good to go. Like, you know how to behave. Even when market is going against you, you know how to behave, how to be in the right frame of mind, how to be calm. And this module 7 is worth 230,000 naira. Now, in module 8, you'll be learning plan and money management. And I'll be granting you access to frequently recorded Zoom sessions on trading strategy, plan and money management, and psychology, every single thing. Now, these recorded sessions will show you the behind the scenes intensive trading strategies I share with my students too. We analyze my trading plan. I teach my students how I trade, the reason behind my trades I take. I share with my students, I explain to them, I host Zoom sessions with them, I explain these things to them, the psychology behind every single trade I take. That way they get to think like me. They get to think like me, and that helps them to make a whole lot of money trading the forex market. Now this is valued at 150,000 naira. Now in mode 9, I'm going to be teaching you top-down analysis. Now, when it comes to technical analysis, top-down analysis is very important. And what is top-down analysis? It's very simple. You go to the higher time frame, like the weekly time frame. Now, if I want to analyze the market, I first go to the weekly time frame. I then look at, okay, where is the market going on the weekly time frame? Then I come down to the daily time frame and I look again, where is the market going? Now, also to the 4 hours time frame. So when I eventually take my entries from like 15 minutes time frame, it will be in line with what the higher time frame is saying. That way, I get to make money effortlessly. Because imagine when the higher time frame is saying buys, and then I come to the M15 time frame, that is the 15 minutes time frame, and I take a buy, it's going to be a very easy trade, a very easy money because I'm literally in line with what the higher time frame is saying. And this is what I'm going to be teaching you in this module 9 called top down analysis. And this module 9 is worth how much? It's pretty much worth 80,000 naira. Now look at this testimony. He said, Caleb, that your strategy is working perfectly fine. Oh. If you are patient enough, you will milk it. Since this year, I haven't recorded a loss and I have backtested with it, and out of 100 times, it played out 95 times. This is a testimony that one of my students was giving me ending of January, and he said he hasn't rec- recorded a loss all through that January simply from what he learned from me. Now, not just that, here's also another student of mine. He said, Sir, you made me start trading. Now I'm a bit profitable. Thank you, boss. Right? Simply because he learned this secret trading strategy from me and he's making good amount of money for himself. Right? He also look at also another student of mine. Now, these guys trade crypto with what I taught them. You see, I told you guys from the beginning that I can actually trade any market with what I'm teaching you guys, any market, both the crypto market, both the stock market. So look at this profit these guys made trading crypto futures simply from what they learned in the Forex Money Mastery course. Look at this guy. This guy said, now liquidity and structure still they run am here or two. LOL. Right? He made lots of money for himself. Now you've seen all you're going to be getting. So I want to ask you a question. What would this be worth to you? For all you've seen you're going to be getting and an opportunity for me to coach you in trading, what is it going to be worth for you? Of course, it's priceless. I can't put a price tag. Remember, I told you guys I spent over $2,500 learning forex trading. That's over 3.5 million learning trading myself. So literally, this is priceless. Here is a list of everything you're going to be getting from mode 1 to mode 9. Total worth is 1.3 million 95,000 naira. It's not even up to what I spent learning trading myself. But now, guess what? There is a good news, right? A good news because wait, I know when you just saw this figure now, your mind has like that's gone inside. Why would Caleb be saying 1.3 million? Where do I get that kind of money? Well, calm down, relax, right? Just breathe well. There is a good news. You won't be paying 1.3 million 95,000. I mean, the country is very bad right now. Where do I want to see that kind of money? So you won't be paying that, right? Now, when the Forest Money Mastery course launched, it has not yet launched fully because I've not really launched it. Now, when it's launched, it's going to launch for 100,000 or more. Initially, I wanted to launch the course for 50,400. That was the launch price I set in mind. But then, after speaking with my mentor yesterday night, I was speaking with my mentor yesterday night, and then we had like 2 hours call. And he was like, Caleb, don't launch this course for 50,400 because he was like, it's very cheap. It's too cheap to be 50,400. That I should start from at least 100,000 naira, which means the Forest Money Mastery course is actually launching this weekend. And then once it launches, the launch price is going to be 100,000, which means once it launches and you want to get the course, you are paying 100,000 naira. Remember, I paid millions of naira, but you're going to be paying just 100,000 naira once it launches. But now, because it has not yet launched, that means if you get the course right now, you are getting it on pre-order. Now, because it has not yet launched, I'll be giving you a 55% discount. For all of you here listening to me right now, you are lucky because I'll be giving you guys a 55% discount, right? Which means you are going to be getting it for just 45,000 naira. I repeat, I'm giving you guys a 55% discount, which means you are going to be getting the Forex Mastery course for just 45,000 naira. Now, when the course launches and you want to get it, you should be getting the course for 100,000 naira. But if you get it right now, you'll be saving how much? you'll be saving 55,000 naira for yourself. Yeah, you'll be saving 55,000 naira for yourself. But if you don't want, you can still wait. But when the course launches, you are going to be getting it for 100,000, and like a penny is not going out from it. And even at that, it's very pretty much cheap. Which means if you get the course right now, you'll be saving how much for yourself? You'll be saving 1.3 million, 50,000 naira for yourself if you get the course right now that it has not yet launched, right? So if you want to get the course right now, you've seen all you're going to be getting, you've seen my testimonies, my student testimonies. All you have to do is to make your payment of 45,000 naira to this account number. So this is my GT account number, right? I can take a screenshot or you can write it down. So this is my GT account number, 0420412660. So I'm just going to write it in the comment section and pin it, right? I'm going to just type. So you can write it down right now. You can write it down or you can take a screenshot. I will just give you guys a few seconds to do that. Then before I continue. So you can write it or you can pin it. You can write it down, you can screenshot it. You can write it down or you can screenshot it. Okay, I've just pinned it in the chat section, right? So you can simply make your payment of 45,000 to get access to the Forex Money Mastery course. Remember, I told you guys the course is launching fully this weekend. So if you want to take advantage of this pre-order price, all you have to do is to simply make your payment of 45,000 to this account details below. This is my GT account, right? After you make your payment, send me your proof of payment on my WhatsApp. Now I have something special for you because you've stayed till this point. So this is a typo, stayed, not stated. Because you've stayed till this point of this training. Now I have something special for those that will get the Forex Money Mastery course within the next 96 hours. I repeat, for those that will get the Forex Money Mastery course within the next 96 hours, I have something special for them. Now you'll be getting 6 hot bonuses from me, right? And this is bonus number one. You'll be getting access to my VIP community. Now, if you want to make lots of money from trading, one of the things that helped me so far to like make good money in the short time from trading is because I was active member of good communities. Trading is such a lonely journey, such a boring journey, such a devastating journey that if you do it alone, you're going to have issues. You need to be part of something, part of community. Where you see people making money, it gets to motivate you. If you have issues, you can communicate to them, and people can help you sort out whatever issues you think you are having, right? So in bonus number one, I'll be granting you access to my student community for free. Now, my VIP community is where you get to meet rich traders and others on the journey to make wealth like you. I have access to Zoom meetings every weekend to analyze the market. Like on Monday, we are going to be having a Zoom session in my community. I've already announced it, right? Where we are going to analyze the market and look at, okay, what is the market doing and how best can we take advantage of what the market is doing, right? So here is my community, right? Previously, it was named Trade with Caleb, but right now, it has been named the Forex Money Mastery Community. And this is a state of mind that made $34 profit. Now, look at what one of my students said. He said, to become a billionaire and a small thing, you just follow who know road and the person that Caleb. Right? So, you need to be part of an active and a very good community, and you get to be carried along. Now, in bonus number two, I'm going to be granting you access to a free journaling software. Now, if you want to make massive progress in trading, you need to journal your trades, right? Journaling is very, very important because journaling will show you patterns, repeated patterns, things you do, and that way you get to avoid it and stop repeating those mistakes and you get to progress. So in this bonus number two, I'm going to be giving you a free journaling software. You don't have to pay. It's a bonus. This is bonus number two. I'm going to be giving the software for free. Now, in bonus number three, I'm going to be giving you access to secrets of passing Profem accounts. Like I told you guys earlier, what is Profem? Now, Profem are companies that fund you. When they fund you, you get to trade, and when you make profit, you split the profit to them. So that is what a Profem is all about. And here is a student of mine that passed a Profem challenge. He said, passed my Profem challenge final phase. Soon gonna be funded trader soon, right? Now in bonus number four, I'm going to be granting you access to free morning and weekend Zoom sessions. On the morning sessions, we get analyzed, okay, what is the market doing? How do we take advantage of what this market is doing, right? That is access to free morning sessions. And on the weekend, we also analyze, okay, what has the market done over the week? That way, we get to prepare ourselves ahead of the market, right, for the new week. This is bonus number 4. Now, in bonus number 5, I'm going to be showing you the secrets of flipping accounts. I mean, you've seen my students do $10 to $44, $200 to $700. It's called flipping, and there's how to do it. You don't just load your account with $50 you want to flip. If you do it like less than 1 minute, that money is gone. There's a special way to flip account. Turn small capital into big capital. All you need is the skill, right? And the skill is in the Forex Money Mastery course. And in this bonus number 6, I'm going to be showing you the secrets of flipping small amount into big amount, right? Now look at this. Here's the state of mind. This person was able to take this account from $20 to $93 in just one trade. Now, this is an example of flipping, right? Here is also another state of mind. This guy was able to take his account from $17 to $247. It's called flipping. He flipped his account from $17 to $247, right? Now, in bonus number 7, I'm going to be teaching you the secret to trade the synthetic market. Remember, I told you guys, if you've been following me from the beginning, I told you guys that synthetic market is kind of forex, but it's computer generated. Now, there are special secrets of trading the account because it doesn't behave like the regular forex market. Now, in this bonus number 7, I'm going to be teaching you how you can trade the synthetic market profitably and make a whole lot of money for yourself. So look at this. This guy said, Caleb, man, you see that last class I paid you privately. After that class, I have been killing it, guy, especially on this belief. Like I comfortably take trades and go on and sleep before I woke up. I would have hit TP. Man, this is so simple if you understand it. Knowledge is power. I currently have a trade running massively. This trade is meant to close give me $300. I have taken 5 trades on the reef now and registered just one SL. He took 5 trades and he registered just one SL. And on this trade, he was already in $150 profit when he sent it to me. Now, not just him, here is also another student of mine that was able to make 1.2 million in the month of March from the forex market simply with a $10 deposit. He used $10 to make 1.2 million. As of then, $10 was like 15K. That means he used 15,000 naira to make 1.2 million from the forex market. Now we call this flipping. He literally flipped his account, and there are secrets of doing it. He did it with the synthetic market. There are secrets of doing it, and this is the bonus number 7. Now, bonus number 8, which is the last bonus, you'll be getting access to my upcoming crypto course. Crypto is one of these I do on the side, right? Whenever I create a course on it, which will be very soon, you'll be getting free access to that course. Of course, when the course launches, the price is also going to be from 100K and above. But if you get the Forex Money Master course right now on pre-order, you're going to be getting free access to the course when it is ready. Now, remember that these bonuses are only for those that will take action within the next 96 hours. I repeat, these bonuses are only for those that will take action within the next 96 hours. So today is Friday. 96 hours is 5 days, right? So that is Friday to Saturday to Sunday to Monday to Tuesday to Wednesday. That's till Wednesday, 12 o'clock midnight. You have to take action, right? And then you get access to these 8 hot bonuses, right? So if you're ready, simply make your payment of 45,000 naira to this account details below. I repeat, if you're ready, make your payment to this account details below. Here is my GT account. You can screenshot it. Go to the comment section. It's pinned there, right? You can screenshot it or you can copy it from the comment section. Now, when you make a payment, simply send me your proof of payment on WhatsApp, and then I'm going to take it up from there. So now we are coming to an end of this webinar. We're literally rounding up right now. So here are frequently asked questions. People ask me a lot of time. So the first one is this a one-time payment? Yeah, it's a one-time payment. You're not paying again for the Forex Money Mastery course. It's literally your course for life. And the second one is how much can I start trading with? I get this question a lot. And you can start trading with any amount. In fact, you can even open a Naira account and fund 1,000 Naira and start trading it. So you can trade with any amount, literally any amount, right? So that's not an issue. What is the issue is to get the skill. Once you get the skill, every other thing is possible. Now, the third one is, can I really make money from Forex? Of course, if you can't make money, then what exactly are we doing here? You can make money that is beyond your imagination from the Forex market. Now, the fourth one is I'm a beginner. I don't know anything about Forex. It does not matter. The Forex Money Mastery course was broken down to the simplest form possible. So even if you're a beginner, it does not matter at all. And the last one is I don't have a laptop, it does not matter. Of course, laptop makes the work easier, but even if you don't have a laptop, it does not matter. With your smartphone, you are good to go. Like I can literally pick up my phone right now and analyze a trade as easy as that. I don't even need laptop to know what the market is doing or where the market is going. So a laptop is not a necessity at all, right? You can live the life you've always dreamed of, life of luxury. Live your life at your own terms. Travel to places, and people, we are all different here. There are people that they are like, should I say, their hobby is buying cars, buying shoes. Some are buying perfumes. Some like doing different things. Some buying bags, different things. But whatever thing your dream life is, whatever thing your hobby is, you can literally fund that thing. You can literally make a lot of money for yourself and fund that lifestyle for yourself, right? So all you have to do is to get the Forex Money Mastery course, learn it, and use the secrets right there to trade the Forex market and make a whole lot of money for yourself. If you're a trader and you're listening to me right now, you don't have to keep trading and keep losing money to the market, right? You don't have to keep feeling depressed, hopeless, when you can like literally trade the market and make good amount of money for yourself, right? So here is your cue to get results today. So here is a student of mine that look at what this guy said. This guy said last week result was a great week for me. Like I told you, I started trading the account last week and it was massive. Funded my account with $500 on Wednesday and ended the week with $89 profit. I am grateful for everything. Thank you so much, Caleb. Forex will make you wealthy if you know what you are doing. Truly, Forex will make you wealthy if you know what you are doing. Right? Here is also another student of mine that made $83 profit in just one trade. And here is also another student that was able to take his account from $23 to $63 in just one trade. Right? That is like $40 profit in just one trade. I keep telling people that lack of capital is not the reason why you're not making money at all. It is not the reason why you're not making money. It's a skill issue, right? Once you have the skill, you can make crazy amounts of money for yourself. So here is the account number once again. So once you make your payment, simply send me a message on WhatsApp with your proof of payment, and I'm going to take it up from there, right? Make your payments, then send me your proof of payment on WhatsApp, and I'm going to take it up from there. So we basically come to the end of this training, and this has been 1 hour 10 minutes we started, right? So 1 hour 10 minutes we started, and it's been a good one with you guys. And if you stay to the end, you did well for yourself. You're the real MVP. I've started getting lots of payments already. So if you make your payment, just send me your payment proof on WhatsApp, and I'm going to take it up from there. Right. So thank you guys for coming. Now, if you have any question, just quickly ask in the comment section, and I'm going to respond to you. I repeat, if you have any question, quickly ask in the comment section. We've literally come to the end, so you can screenshot the account number, you can copy it. When you make a payment, send me your proof of payment on WhatsApp, and I'm going to take it up from there. Right. So I want to take questions right now. So if you have a question, just ask me right now, so I can just ask. Okay, 96 hours is 4 days. Oh, sorry, my bad, my bad. It's it's just 4 days. Yeah, it's 4 days. 4 days. Yeah, 4 days is good enough time now. It's good enough time. It's good enough time. Right. So if you have question, you can ask. So that means the discount is ending on Tuesday, not Wednesday. It's on Tuesday, not Wednesday. Right. Wait. Monday to Friday to Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday midnight. So if you have any question, you can ask me. Someone said, "Are you a broker?" I'm not a broker, please. Brokers are companies now. Do I look like a company? I'm not a broker. My WhatsApp number, I'm going to just type it. No need of typing it. Go to the group. The number that is admin in the group, that's the WhatsApp number, my WhatsApp number. Right. Someone said, I'm glad, boss. I believe to testify soon. Yeah, you will. Sure. You will. You will. All right. So in that case, I'm not seeing questions, which means you guys pretty much understood everything. So thank you guys for coming, and good night, everyone.